I bet you didn't know fixing your Chrysler Pacifica backup camera is easier than you think. Let's dive in. First, double-check if your display settings are correct. Go to the Settings menu and ensure the backup camera option is enabled. Next, inspect the camera lens at the back of your vehicle. Sometimes dirt or debris can block the view. Give it a gentle wipe with a soft cloth. If the camera is still not working, try resetting the Uconnect system. Simply turn off your vehicle, open the driver's side door, and wait for a minute before turning it back on. Still having trouble? Check the fuse box under the hood. Look for the fuse related to the backup camera and make sure it's not blown. If it is, replace it with a new one of the same rating. If none of these steps work, it might be time to visit a professional technician. But don't worry. Most issues can be fixed with these simple steps. And there you have it. Troubleshooting your Chrysler Pacifica backup camera made easy. Safe driving.